Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Firebase Auth phone verification for Android, complete guide step by step clearly. First, open your Android Studio and create a new project or open an existing one. Ensure that you have added Firebase to your Android project. Go to the Firebase console and create a new project if you haven't already. Navigate to the Authentication section in the Firebase console. Click on the Get Started button to enable Firebase authentication. Under the Sign In Method tab, enable the phone option. Next, open your project in Android Studio and add the required Firebase dependencies to your app's build.gradle file. Sync your project with Gradle files to download the dependencies. In your app's main activity, initialize Firebase Auth. Import the necessary libraries for Firebase and user interface elements. Create a layout for your phone number input and verification code. In your main activity, define input fields for the phone number and the verification code. Add a button for sending the verification code and another button for verifying it. Set an on-click listener for the button to send the verification code. In the on-click listener, use Firebase Auth to send the verification code to the entered phone number. Implement the phone auth provider to handle the callbacks for verification. Override the onVerificationCompleted method to automatically retrieve the verification code. Handle the onVerificationFailed method to manage cases where verification fails. Once the code is received, prompt the user to enter it into the designated input field. Set an on-click listener for the verification button to confirm the code. Use the Verify Phone Number method from Phone Auth Provider to validate the entered code. Implement the onVerificationCompleted method to sign in the user upon successful code verification. Display appropriate messages for both successful and failed verifications. Test your app on an actual Android device, as phone verification may not work on emulators. Check the logs in Android Studio for any errors during the configuration. Make adjustments to your app based on the feedback received during testing. Your Firebase Auth phone verification setup for Android is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.